Some reward apps process gift card redemptions almost instantly, while others can take several business days depending on the payout method, account verification, and fraud checks. Picking the right app can save you a lot of waiting. By the end of this video, you'll know which reward apps are generally the fastest for withdrawals in 2026, what payout options they offer, and what can slow your cash out down. Starting at number 5 is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays users for surveys, games, shopping offers, and other activities. Once you request a payout, processing usually takes longer than many competitors because every redemption goes through a manual review. If your account is new or recently changed payment details, expect additional verification before your reward is released. At number 4 is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards focuses on scanning receipts and shopping offers. Gift card redemptions are often delivered quickly after approval, but processing time depends on account verification and the specific gift card brand you choose. Keeping your account information updated helps reduce delays. Number 3 is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play lets users earn points by playing mobile games and redeem them for gift cards. Many users receive digital rewards fairly quickly after redeeming, although first-time withdrawals or unusual account activity may trigger extra review. If your redemption stays pending, checking for app updates and verifying your account is usually the first step. Coming in at number 2 is Misplay. Misplay rewards Android users for trying new games. Digital gift card redemptions are generally processed quickly once your account is verified. Using the same device, avoiding VPNs, and following the app's rules can help keep withdrawals moving without interruptions. The top spot goes to Cashkick. Cashkick allows users to earn through surveys, offers, and games with PayPal as its primary payout option. Once your earnings become available, and your account meets all requirements, withdrawals are typically straightforward. The biggest delays usually happen when offers are still pending confirmation or identity verification hasn't been completed. One thing every reward app has in common is that withdrawal speed depends on more than the app itself. Identity verification, offer completion status, payment method, and fraud prevention checks can all affect how fast your reward arrives. To sum it up, Cashkick, Misplay, Rewarded Play, Fetch Rewards, and Inbox Dollars all offer legitimate payout options, but faster withdrawals usually come from fully verified accounts and completed offers. Before requesting your next payout, double-check that your payment details are correct and any required verification is finished. If this ranking helped you choose the right app, like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons and earning guides.